everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about 8 summer style mistakes that you're probably making. Maybe. Let's find out. Per usual, I love sharing common mistakes or problems and then providing solutions. These are my favorite videos, so if you happen to be new, consider subscribing. I have other videos that are very similar to this that people seem to enjoy, and so I continue to film them. But without further ado, let's get started. The very first summer style mistake that I very often see, on myself included, are shorts that are too short and or too tight. The real kicker is when it's both. I have some that are like that. This is why it happens. Don't blame yourselves. It happens to me all the time. I'm trying on shorts in a dressing room. They look good. I mean, hey, I'm like, yeah, these are shorts. I buy them. And then what happens is you actually start walking. You start walking. And then they start riding up. And then before you know it, you're revealing way too much. And then, hey, you've spent too much money on shorts. You choose to still wear them because you bought them. And then, whoa, you're making a slight summer style mistake. If you've been watching my channel, this is like, at this point, it's getting ridiculous how many times I've recommended these shorts. I apologize. But my favorite shorts are the ones I'm wearing. Not that you can see them right now. It's a gold day. One of these days I'll get it right. Shorts that are just literally the most perfect length, tightness. Like, they're just so flattering. They're just the best denim shorts ever. They're like best selling. I get them at Revolve. I can link them below. They're pricey, but every single summer I wear them and I pretty much don't ever change out of them. But let's move on to the next one because it totally ties in with revealing too much, and that is showing too much skin in the summer months. Now again, I don't blame you. I mean, the temperatures out there, they can get really hot and sticky. So you grab a pair of shorts and then you're like, hey, I'm gonna throw on a tank top. Maybe that tank top has spaghetti straps or maybe no straps. And then again, before you know it, you're just all skin and there really is no outfit. And so that's where I feel like this is a good option. I think this is from Amazon. Yeah, this is from Amazon. This is a really good tank top at a really good price. It's a tank top. It's really flowy and breezy, but it still has some coverage. It's just really pretty. But I feel like the style mistake comes in when it's just like, you're showing your body and not really the actual clothing, like outfit. Number 3, again, I know all too well. White jeans. I talk about white jeans, white denim all the time. I talk about how I love wearing them all year round. It doesn't just have to be summer, but this is a summer video and I feel like the majority of the population loves to wear white denim in the summer, but the style mistake comes in when you buy the white jeans that are too tight and too transparent. That's the thing, the transparent part. It happens so much and it's so odd to me because it's shocking to me that brands do this still. I feel like they should do better. They should know better. So I recently ordered a pair and I specifically did not return it because it proved my point. I was like, I'm gonna use this in a video. I'm gonna show, like, this is what brands should not do. What is the brand? I have it right here. Right? Hold on. It's Topshop. Man, I like Topshop. I have so many. Well, they made a mistake. They should watch my videos now. These jeans are just so see-through. Even if I was wearing like skin color undergarments, you can still see through it. You can also see through the pockets. Like, you can see the pockets. It just looks bad. Be aware when you're purchasing white denim. Make sure it's thick enough and then you'll look better. Number 4 involves bras showing through your tank tops. And I apologize. Normally I'm far better at my transitions. I should have included this a point prior when I was actually talking about tank tops. Now, let me just reach in here and show you what you do. See these thingies? They're sticky and you can just stick them right on. And I know what you're thinking. You're like,
I'm not small like you, Shea. Like, I actually have a chest. That's not gonna work for me.
Don't worry, I've got you covered. Literally, my goodness. I love when these jokes just come out without me even trying. Anyway, these puppies work for anybody that is a lot larger than me. So again, it's sticky. You stick it on and then you lift. And then you have support and coverage and you're not seeing anything along the sides, like in the back. I'll link it below. Hopefully I can find it. Everyone needs it. The next style mistake that you're probably making, and I feel as though I've gotten really good at this in recent years. perfected this. So you're probably wearing your summer outfit in the summer hot temperatures, and then you go outside and you're like, wow, I'm dressed correctly. And then you go inside to like a restaurant, maybe the grocery store, basically anywhere with central air or air conditioning, and then all of a sudden, no, you are way too chilly and you don't have a cardigan. And that's the style mistake. You need to always remember to bring a cardigan anytime you go out somewhere. Am I the only one that is always so cold? I don't think so. So this is my favorite cardigan. I love it so much. It's also from Amazon. It's like just, oh, it's so good. It's like, it comes in a lot of colors, but it's like a little bit oversized. It's just really good. And I accidentally ordered two, I like a long time ago, and this has just been sitting in my basement for months, and I was like, this is the perfect time. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I feel like I'm in a really good mood. I'm gonna do a giveaway on my YouTube and my Instagram. So I'll send it to somebody, but that's not like good enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick random people and send $100 gift cards, maybe through PayPal, it could be Amazon, whatever you want, just $100 to like different people randomly. And yeah, so go follow me on Instagram and YouTube, subscribe, comment down below, comment on my Instagram photo that corresponds with this, and I'll just pick random people, and it'll be really fun. We're on to number 6, and that is your makeup. You actually can make a style mistake with your makeup in the summer. I mean, it's okay, this isn't the end of the world, and for anybody that's like, you wear too much makeup, I cannot stand that because it's usually coming from people that have like amazing skin. So I don't have amazing skin, so I do still wear makeup. But I think that in the summer months, it's the perfect time to go a little more au naturel with your makeup. Like the no makeup look. I have a few tips. I've been trying to do that a little bit more. I just really think it looks better in the summer months. And some of my natural no makeup tips involve the blush. Well, obviously, okay, the easy one is just like go light with your foundation. CC creams are good. But the biggest tip that I have found is to use like a peachy blush, but then, you know, you put it on here, and then you put it on your nose. Put it on your nose. I know it sounds weird, but guys, I'm telling you, it makes you look so sun-kissed, like you are like, you're glowy. It's just try it out. I feel like it makes you really pop in like a good way, like you've been, you know, in the sun a little bit, oops. And then as far as your lips, I recently shared on my Instagram, see, these are other reasons you should follow me on Instagram, my favorite lip combo for like plump lips. So I like to have kind of like a more neutral lip and go super light with your makeup everywhere else. But with the lip, you can kind of like plump them up a little bit. I love this Laura Mercier lip pencil in the color Rosewood. And then this is the Too Faced lipstick, natural lipstick in the shade Birthday Suit. I don't know what it is about this combination, but it's pretty much what I'm wearing in most of my videos. And it just looks so good together. Like these should get married. And then, I don't wear this all the time, but I do really like this Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss. It like brings the blood to your lips, if you know what I mean. So it plumps them up. Like I said, I don't use it all the time, but I do recommend it. Oh, Clear Brow Gel. The Clear Brow Gel by Pixi. It doesn't really have to be this brand, but this really kind of like feathers out your brows. And I've been really trying to not make my brows as defined and harsh. I feel like the feathery brows just look, again, so much more natural, especially in the summer. Number 7. Flip-flops and when to wear them. The style mistake comes in when your feet get dirty. Flip-flops are great for the pool, the beach, short little outings, but when you're actually like maybe in a city, you're walking all day, maybe at an amusement park, I don't know, are we going anywhere this summer? I'm not sure, but flip-flops make your feet dirty, so save them for the beach and the pool. It's like perfect. But yeah, the sandals that actually attach to your feet, they still let the air in and breathe, that seems more sanitary. And I'm not even a germaphobe, to be honest. I just don't like dirty feet. Number 8, while we're on the subject of feet, I'm gonna get off this subject, I don't like feet, but it involves correct socks. And I have mentioned this in my videos before, but there are sweet spots when it comes to socks. There's the no-show socks, which I think look amazing with many types of sneakers. And then we've got socks that are very, very noticeable. A few years ago, I would say don't do this, but it's actually ones that are maybe like 5 inches up your ankle. Like those surprisingly look very stylish right now. So I do recommend those, but it's that weird in-between spot that can actually just make your legs look short and stumpy. I'm sure next year I'll be saying they're very in style, but right now I don't think they are. Oh man, see, this is the longevity of my channel. Really, I just can cover things continually because everything just changes and comes in and out, but I still find entertainment in it, and hopefully you do too. So I think that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed my summer style mistakes, I don't know, and took away a few things from it. Don't forget to enter the giveaways that I sporadically and randomly decided to do in this video. So I'll have the info for that down below, but subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you very soon in one of these videos too. Bye.